Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from Sunfield Flippers. Thanks for joining us for another pre-Christmas break. I went into my local Meijer and I was actually lucky enough to grab a couple of Topps Chrome mega boxes. Yeah, the prices are expensive, but Meijer's having buy one get one 40% off, so I got a little bit of a deal. I wanted to get some hangers instead, but they had no hangers, only blasters and megas. So I figured I would grab two megas. Obviously the blue X-Fractors in here. Yeah, everybody's all chasing the same thing. Gotta love this Topps Chrome. Prices are insane. Would love to have a case of Breaker's Delight, but you know, us cheap folk can't afford that. So I was able to get this, and we're gonna pop these open and see what we can get. And Cooper's been on a tear lately, so now all his stuff is starting to go back up through the roof again, and he's playing like he was supposed to. Projected to, whatever you want to call it. And there is 7 packs, 6 cards per pack, so 40 total cards, 42 total cards. So $2 a card, basically. Because these retail for 85, so after tax 90. So like I said, I was fortunate enough to find them at my local Meijer, and they're running a deal until Wednesday, so I was able to get a couple of these, and let's see what we can do. Obviously, we're looking for any case hits, the Fanaticals, or yeah, Trey Young, a Walker Kessler, Anthony Black, and Franz Wagner, and a day Jalen Duren checkerboard or X-Fractor, and a Gabe Vincent Ray Wave. PJ Washington, Sheik P3, Sochan, and a Ant Edwards Inspirational. Oh, that's nice. Jeremiah Fears, X-Fractor, one of the top Pelicans rookies. And a Scoot Henderson base refractor. Appreciate the views. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it so we can grow this channel and bring you more good breaks and maybe get out of retail and start doing some hobby breaks. Okongwu. There's a Wemby base. Ruri Hachimura base. D Wade. And a Jason Tatum X-Fractor. And a Rick Barry X-Fractor. So 2 X-Fractors in that pack. Malik Beasley base. Holmes base. Another Dayron Holmes base. I don't know if that's oh, there we go. An Ace Bailey Ray Wave activators. Drew Holiday X-Fractor, and a KJ Simpson Jr. Ray Wave. So far, I think we're at our $2 a pack here. We need a monster. Kawhi Leonard, Magic Johnson, Kason Wallace. Oh, there's a Serenity VJ Edgecomb base insert, meaning no refractor, no numbered. A Dirk X-Fractor, and a Harrison Ingram base refractor. Jalen Johnson base. Trey Johnson rookie base. Neat Clifford rookie base. No, we got a green. Oh, Brooklyn, of course. Oh, green auto to 99. Danny Wolf. So, I guess can't complain there. Rookie auto out of 99. Green refractor. Pretty sweet. and a Coronet X-Fractor, and a Kaishan George X-Fractor. Last pack of the first box. Dylan Brooks base, Jack Konis base, Bronny James base, a Grady Dick, Wave, Prism, Prism, Noah Clowney, and a Isaiah Joe Ray Wave. All right, box number 2. Steven Adams base, Emmanuel Quickly base, Gabe Vincent. Oh, there's our first Cooper. Just a base Serenity insert. Cooper Flagg. Agato X-Fractor, and a Mike Conley Refractor. Pack number 2. Trae Young. Walker Kessler, there's Topps Collation again. 2 boxes and 2 of the same players. KJ Simpson. Tobias Harris. Jordan Poole. And Trey Murphy X-Fractors. Where's this monster at? Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this another numbered auto out of here. Or a Fanatical. PJ Washington, here we go. CP3, Isaiah Joe, already a bunch of doubles. There's a numbered Giannis Ray Wave, like a teal, numbered to 199. That's pretty sweet. And X-Fractor DeAndre Hunter, Brooke Lopez. So if that's our numbered, then I guess we're, Okongwu again, another Wemby base. Walter Clayton Jr. rookie. A Joel Embiid Extinct. Looks like a basic Instinct. A Lauri Markkanen X-Fractor. And a Hugo Gonzalez Ray Wave. Come on, where's this Cooper parallel? Let's get one Coop parallel. Make it worth it. Malik Beasley base. Rashawn Holmes base. CJ McCollum, and another insert, Jaylen Brown, Ball of Duty, DeAndre Ayton, and a Vucevic base refractor. All right, 2 packs left. Kawhi Leonard base, Magic Johnson base, Jose Alvarado base, Cole Anthony base, a Valanciunas X-Fractor, and Jaden McDaniels X-Fractor. All right, last pack. Again, appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Jalen Johnson, who you think the Rookie of the Year is going to be? Another Trey Johnson. Devin Vassell base. And we're going to get a Dort, Prism, Amen Thompson, and Jalen Williams X-Fractors. There we go. So two mega boxes, and this was probably our biggest hit. So True Green out of 99, Danny Wolf for the Brooklyn Nets. Thanks again, everybody. Appreciate it. And until next time, happy holidays.